Have you ever tried to browse the web and been hit with an annoying error message in Google Chrome saying your clock is ahead or behind? I know it can be quite annoying. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show some simple steps to fix it. So without wasting any time, let's get this sorted out. Before trying anything, make sure that correct date and time has been set on your computer. Solution 1. Fix time zone issue on PC. To do this, first open up the settings on your computer. Then click on time and language. Next, click on date and time, and toggle on set time zone automatically if it's off. After that, click on the search icon and type in run. Then click on run from the search result. Now, type in timedate.cpl in the field here and hit enter. Now, this window will pop up. Just switch to the Internet Time tab and click on the Change Settings button. From this window, just make sure the box that says Sync Time with an Internet Time Server is ticked. Then click here and select time.nist.gov from the menu and hit Update. After it finishes synchronizing the clock, click on OK. And then click on OK from this window as well. Now, click on the search icon and type in Services. Then click on Services from the search result. After that, find the Auto Time Zone Updater service. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Now, change the startup type to Automatic. Next, click on Apply and then on OK. Now, right-click on it again and select Start from the menu. Lastly, check if the error is fixed. Solution 2. Clear Chrome cache. To do this, open Chrome. After that, click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from here. Now, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now, click on Clear Browsing Data from here. Then click on the box next to Time Range and select All Time from the drop-down menu. Next, hit the Clear Data button, and all the cache data will be deleted from Chrome. Now check if that helped with the error. Solution 3. Reset Google Chrome. For this one, open Chrome again. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Reset Settings from the left side menu. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Next, hit the Reset Settings button, and Chrome will be resetted. Now, the error should be gone. So that's how you deal with the your clock is ahead or behind in Google Chrome on your PC. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.